Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be talking about how to find mindfulness in everyday life. Mindfulness is a great way to stay present and focused on the moment, and it can help us to reduce stress and anxiety. First, let's talk about what mindfulness is. Mindfulness is the practice of being aware of your thoughts, feelings, and sensations in the present moment. It's about being aware of what's happening around you and within you, without judgment. Now, let's talk about how to find mindfulness in everyday life. One way is to practice mindful breathing. Take a few moments to focus on your breath. Notice the sensation of the air entering and leaving your body. This can help you to stay present and focused on the moment. Another way to practice mindfulness is to take a few moments to observe your surroundings. Notice the sights, sounds, and smells around you. This can help you to be more aware of your environment and to appreciate the beauty of the world around you. Finally, you can practice mindfulness by being mindful of your thoughts and feelings. Notice what thoughts and feelings come up for you throughout the day. Acknowledge them without judgment, and then let them go. This can help you to stay present and focused on the moment. So there you have it, 3 ways to find mindfulness in everyday life. I hope this video was helpful and that you can use these tips to stay present and focused on the moment. Thanks for watching.